Now we're going to be taking a look at adjusting our balance or stretch stitch for our decorative stitches. Hold down the start stop and the reverse and turn on the machine. Continue to hold down the start stop and reverse until the diagnostic test screen pops up on the screen. Locate at the top of the left hand column you have an 8 adjust. Please select it. Once you go into the screen, you will press the initialize button. It is very important for the machine to initialize and all the step motors to work properly. Once you have done that, take a piece of fabric and press start. The machine will start to sew out 8 different 8s. Once it has finished sewing, press the thread cutter and remove the fabric. We can now take our 11,000 gauge again, and we're going to hold it up and we're going to try to make a measurement of 5 different gauges. We're going to hold the gauge upside down, and we're going to go from the inside of the cutout to the end, and hopefully we can measure 5, and we're looking for a difference of 33 to 39 millimeters. Go from the inside, and we count the 8s, and we can see that we have 33 to 39. And the 8s look nice. They look like an 8. If you needed to make an adjustment, you can lay the machine on its back and remove the plate. Inside this plate is an access area for you to reach a screw, which is our balance adjustment screw. It is on a black block and is attached by arm to the feed step motor. You can either turn it left or turn it right to make your proper adjustment. To get a closer up view of it, this is a view with the base off of the machine. You can see the screw attached to the black block, and when we move it, you can see that the feed step motor moves slightly. When making this adjustment, we had to turn off the machine, because if we move a step motor while it's on, we will upset it. So once again, hold down the start, stop, and reverse and turn on the machine to be able to go back into the 8 adjust mode. Once again, select your 8 adjust, and very important, press the initialize button. Must do this every time so the feed step motor and zigzag motor can initialize properly. Once again, take your fabric and put it underneath. We can sew out 8 different 8s, and hopefully they look like 8s. It is not always important to use a gauge because we can usually tell by eye if your 8 is inverted or if they look like huge snowmen, then you know it's wrong and adjustment is needed to be made. Cut the thread by using the scissors and take a look at it again and make the measurement.